In this video, we'll show you how to use the OptiSolex 440W Portable SolarBag kit to charge a lithium battery. Caution: the SolexBrick S1 controller can get hot during use. Avoid direct sunlight, don't touch the metal surface, don't cover it completely, and keep it well ventilated. For the hands-on demonstration, if you're aiming to use the 440-watt capacity, simply open the SolarBag and connect the two 220-watt cables together. Next, connect the power extension cable to the lithium battery. Attach the red positive wire to the battery's positive terminal and the black negative wire to the negative terminal. Connect the longer two cables from S1's output to the power extension cable. Next, connect the 440-watt SolarBag cable to S1's input cables, the shorter pair. If you need to use 220-watt power, first unzip to separate the 440-watt SolarBag into two 220-watt solar panels. Then, simply connect the input cables of S1 to the cable of one of the 220-watt solar panels. Unfold the SolarBag and ensure its surface is free of obstructions. Place S1 under the SolarBag to protect it from direct sunlight. And you're done! Use a wrench to loosen and disconnect the power extension cable from S1. Then, use the wrench to loosen the connection between S1 and the SolarBag cable and separate them. Fold the solar panel, starting by folding it perpendicular to the zipper. Tidy up the SolarBag's cables and put them into the zipper bag. Then, put S1 and the wrench in there as well. And finally, fasten the buckle. All done.